Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Alright viewers, pleasant morning. Welcome back to the channel. This morning me out here, the water nice and flat today. And it look clean too. So, we are going to jump into the water. I feel a vibe this morning. I feel like we are going to catch something nice. Hopefully we can catch a nice fish, you understand? Yeah man, so right now I'm me and Twiggy out here this morning. We are going to get suit up. We are going to jump into the water and we are going to hunt. We are going to see what we can catch this morning, alright? And we are going to do a decent cook up today as well. That in mind. So I'm going to suit up right now and get back to you when we jump into the water. Alright? Stay tuned. Yeah people, so we suit up here now. Me and Twiggy, well suit up. Twiggy there. Yeah man. We are jumping in the water here now people and see what we can kill. Alright, so catch you in the water. It's another beautiful day in the Caribbean Sea. Great weather for hunting. As you can see, I'm using a smaller spear gun today, hunting the rocks to see if I could find anything. Now today I'm searching some areas that I do not normally search when I have the longer spear gun. So I'm back at it today again with the technique, dusting and grunting. As you can see, we have a school of surgeon fish swimming by. I was trying to get their attention. Now here I saw a butterfish went down underneath that big rock. I was trying to sneak up on it, but it actually came out on the other side of the rock, like right over here. Here I saw a filefish, one of my favorite fish to eat. I gladly took this one. Now whenever you catch these fish, you need to take the mouthpiece out, because they will bite you real hard. So you use the spear point and you break the teeth out of its mouth. So that's Twiggy right there hunting. We saw a fish went under this rock, a butterfish. That fish you're looking at right there, that's a soap fish. We do not eat that fish. People do eat them. There's a special way of cleaning them, but we do not trouble those fish. But there is a butterfish under this rock that we can't see. So Twiggy made a dive on this rock, took a shot at something. So I'm taking a second dive to go down and see if that fish is on the spear. So I went down, take a look at the spear, didn't see anything. I saw some other fish underneath there swimming around. I saw a butterfish and some doctor fish. So I decided on taking the butterfish. Took a shot and I got the fish. However, the spear got jammed behind a rock, so I have to go back to the top and then go back down to retrieve the spear. I love the liveliness of the reefs on this side of the island. and the reef is alive on this side of the island. Now this area is one of my potential spots, so I decided on taking a dive here to see if anything was underneath this rock. However, there was nothing that I wanted to take home. This area is one of my potential spots. I always take a dive right here and look. Now here you can find like some nice parrotfish. You can find snappers and some big grunts. So here I am taking the dive nice and slow. So I got down there to the floor and I went up close up underneath the crack and I saw this huge parrotfish. I took a shot and I got that fish. I retrieved the fish and headed for the top. This fish, we call it a slimy head parrot. It's a nice one. This one feels like a 3-pounder, 3.5-pounder. So I continued the dive, taking some random drops to see if I could find any more fish. I am so enjoying the colors down here on the reef. It's very nice and beautiful. Here you can see me taking some random drops using the technique that I'm working on. Diving down nice and slow, find a nice spot between a rock or somewhere nice, blend myself in and wait for a little bit, see if anything will come over. Here's the technique again. So dive down nice and slow. Then you find yourself a nice spot, relaxed. Get relaxed and settle down. Then you can scratch and grunt. That will actually attract the fish. The fish will come over and they hear the grunting and see this dusting and scratching. So in most cases, you don't have to actually see a fish to take a dive. You can just dive at some potential spots. Now that fish was coming over as soon as I decided on going up. So that spooked the fish and it turned back. Alright, so we decided on ending the dive and head into land. We decided on heading in at the right moment because my rubber snapped. As we were close to land, I saw a huge school of sprat. As you can see, there are a lot of sprat fish right here. By the thousands, they're swimming by. The ocean is so beautiful and have a lot of special moments. For me, this is one of those breathtaking special moments. So we came to the end of the dive and we're headed out of the water right now. Alright people, so come out of the water and thing. Wasn't a bad catch. Wasn't a bad dive, you know. Yeah man, so we'll get them clean up and we'll go head on up and we'll do some cooking, you know. Yeah man, so show you what I go on. Yeah. A nice lick in her head. I don't know where you go already. Yeah. Yeah man. Nice boy, you know. That weigh about 4 pounds. That weigh about 4 pounds, you know. Yeah, see it there? Well nice. Take him off ice strip. So you can see what I go on. Yeah people, see it there? Well nice. Now we go on 4 pounds. I go up fry this. I make some Escovitch sauce for him. Yeah man. File fish, see and we everybody don't know me love them. File fish. A few little butterfish. They out enough this morning. So me just catch a few of them. And my father like them, you know, so I carry them, I go give him. Yeah. So we are going to get them, we are going to head on up the seaside and now we are going to get them clean up, yeah. So stay tuned. So this audio was messed up. I saw my friends hunting for sprats, so I went to show them where the sprat bed was. The spot that I saw them, they was not there, so I walked all the way down to in other parts of the beach to look and see if I saw them at that spot. Unfortunately, I didn't see them at that spot. Yeah, so this spot them moved from the area. Me just go look a while ago. If me see them down the sea, but me never see them, so me I head back up to where the youth them there. Yeah. Yeah, people are bruised them that, you know. Yo! You not go around that morning? Alright, me I come with you now. And me just meet to the round there. Call me. Yeah, see we get jelly, huh? Boss, then give you 2 jelly. Swiggy a clean up the fish them. Oh, murder when we drop in our pot later on. One big patty man going on in the island. So here we saw the spots. So I went back in the water. As they set the net, I was actually beating the water to turn the sprat to the direction of the net. Here you can see a lot of sprat heading towards the net. See them behind them? I know you saw them reach, you know. They will come back up. They will come back up. Think of them when I will fly through. No, we are talking. You sleep better than them. No, there are one of them, man. Millions of them. I'm just taking 1 or 2 okay, Tom. They must fly through them. Now if you look carefully, you will see a lot of sprats going through the net because this is not a really fine sprat net. So we'll catch the bigger ones and the smaller ones will go through. Yo, then there's a go through by the ton. A million. So after this set, they ended up with quite a few sprats, so they decided on leaving the location. Yeah, people, so we reach back up our car now. Twiggy here with the fish them, you know. Yeah. Festive day today. Watch the bamboo, you know. What in there? Take it down now, man. Keep people and see what in there. Holy heavy. Put your go. Yeah, people are more fish. I sprat them this, you know. We go help the man them catch his sprat them. And we get some, you know. We never have no bag, so we improvise. And put them in a that. A piece of bamboo. Yeah, man, so it's a great day today, people. Great day, me I tell you. No, man, I love that little hunter, you know. Yeah, so we are go up now, we are going to cook. Yeah, we are go up, we'll cook. See, we have sprat, yeah. Yeah, man. Nice, man. Alright now, people, so we reach home and now we are going to fry up the fish and thing, you see me? Right now Twiggy are catch a fire. Yeah, see fire there. Take time I go and catch. Yeah, so Twiggy can really catch fire. It look like nothing I go and feed. It look good.
Twiggy that squeezing and he can't catch fire.
It's a go on, it's all catch.
But we have a quick catch like one here.
Don't have to turn up the fire, you know, people. Turn up the gas. Turn up the gas. Yeah, now people, so Lashia put some slice in our fish, yeah.
What do you have fish I eat now?
Food. Right. Alright now people, so we are going to drop some seasoning on the fish. So this is some salt, black pepper, all purpose. Yeah.
Sleep, yeah. Sleep.
Yeah, peeps, so see what I go on now. Pot ready, you know. Some garlic that they throw in the pot there now, so I'm gonna get one little burnish color. I'm gonna flick out them there. Drop a fish in the pot right now.
Yo, yeah, power over that side.
Time for the fish going in the pot now. No, your man, you kill away. Alright now people, so the reason why I throw some oil on that side of the fish, so when it flip over, you know, stick up, you know. Yeah. Alright now, time to flip it. A beer style lashy a kilo with today. Just lean over the oil pan the fish over there, so you know. Inside get to fry. As to the pot not deep, oil get to go right inside, you know. So when do that lean the pot, you know, so the fish get a proper cook. Alright now people, so the fish come off of the fire, you know. Done you know, you know. Take him out lashy. Alright now people, so Bilbo cut up the seasoning them. Make the Escovitch. We are going to chew up on the fish. Yeah. Right on the whiteboard there we have put him there, you know. We just go and deal with it, you know. Actually I go and fry up one lobster same speed. So my same mixture right here, so I go on the lobster, you know. Yeah.
Lobster no only for seasoning, lobster season already, you know, and I make it nice, so. You
see them a move yet. You see sit them in a here move. I like them a swim. See that? I see you float it already.
Yeah, yeah, man. Float, man.
Hey, gunshot. I no normally I say that. Water, food, bread, and I pray, you have to pray all of it. Next time, best thing to do is take up a spearfishing. The people, scotch bonnet pepper. I low bite them, huh? Yeah, man, they call it one a low bite, you know? No, so them dangerous.
Them bite low and hard. We get lobster in here. Twiggy, you bite Escovitch lobster? Escovitch lobster, fried banana.
You know, peeps, who are going there? Some carrots, some onion rings, and some pepper, you know? Or scotch bonnet pepper. That we are going to use and make the Escovitch sauce, alright? For the fish and the lobster as well. Alright, so a little oil in that small pot, yeah? Remember, no, the sauce we are making right now, the Escovitch sauce. So a little oil in the pot. Looks like nothing now going about the hot. Alright, so I go on now. Carrot them in there. Onion. Basically put everything in the pot with the oil. Small amount of oil to not a lot. Yeah, move them around now, make everything go on. Then call it saute. Pepper ketchup. Go by fragrance kitchen. So sprinkle it like seasoning on it. The black pepper.
You don't need to taste, you know.
Alright, so that's the vinegar going there now, people. Cover the pot and then go and simmer down, you know. Smell good. That a go on here now. Alright, so put the sauce on the fish now, you know, the Escovitch, people. This is it. This is what Jamaicans love, you know. Chicken house. people see Quag there. I'm named Quagmire. Ever watch Quagmire cartoon? I'm that Quagmire. Let me zoom him up.
Quagmire.
Quagmire. Alright, so sprinkle some of the sauce over it, you know. Yeah, nice without that, you know, man. Jesus, peace.
Smell that already.
Smell good for you, brother.
Yes, I smell like Christmas.
Yes, I'm firing in a one. Not no nice like that. Alright now people, see the finished product here, you know. Escovitch fish and lobster. Yeah man, look at that. Oh my god.
Very nice. Come on. Come put this in our fridge. You know.
People, so see it here, this a go on, you know. Yeah man, we are gonna test it right now and make you know what go on. Alright, so ready. Escovitch fish, you know man. Look at that. Well fleshy and nice. Yeah man, see it there? So you don't know we have to get some onion pan it, some carrot, pepper, you see me? See it there?
You can't ride it in.
You can't get this nowhere. Best thing this. Thin sliced bread, you know? No mind drop me done, you know? No mind drop me done it. Yeah man. So people remember to like, comment, share and subscribe for more epic adventure like this. Tell us that the fish are ready. Well ready. Couldn't be better. The Escovitch sauce, man, the chef them wicked. I tell you, them chef are good. Anytime you want to link up with them chef, just call the number in the description. I'm going to drop some information in the description for them as well, so you can link up with them. Yeah? I tell you, them chef are up, man. Well fried, and the sauce well made. And look how the plate look nice. Everything nice, man. So, until next time, stay tuned. Remember to hit the thumbs up, hit post notification bell, and subscribe. Alright? Yeah, man.